All right, two more of the 41 litter gilts. These are we did the first two. We've got these two and one more. Got five in the litter. Very, very strong litter of pigs, as I've talked earlier. Fantasy at Schaefer's, Creation Sun we raise, Creation Scuba Steve goes back to good Lackey sow line there. That boar is high back on our list to use him again. And Statement Day So-Cold's the mother, a gilt from Moyer, litter mate to Mission. Grandmother, that So-Cold sow is the mother of Creation. So very good, potent stuff backed away. It's worked extremely well for us and the breed, and very, very high on these 41s. I'm not sure the best one. I think it's going to be a fun kind of winter spring to see what surfaces because this is a very strong litter. We've got a gilt for Boble sale, a couple sorted out there for Georgia sale as well, and we're very excited for this litter and what they're going to do. We're going to start off with 41-11. This gilt here is one that's very striking on the side. She's very high-headed, awesome in terms of her head carriage and levelness from the side. She's a big arm kind of a gilt that's very square and true about her chest. She's got a big hind leg, useful. Not ate up with muscle right now, but I think her maturity is going to work in her advantage because she's going to be a big one that's still very, very heavy structured. She's going to offer some shape and muscularity when it's said and done. I think that one's going to be awfully good. Going to be fun to jackpot, going to be one that suits a lot, and breeding value for her after the way is going to have a lot of value there. In the Dash 11, that would be lot 3. Lot 4 is going to be the Dash 13 gilt. And this is another one that's always kind of caught our eye in terms of her look from the side, just like the rest of the litter. Great in the center part of her body, and she looks like one that's going to have a little bit of those extras in terms of flesh and condition in the center part, which I think will work to her advantage as a big one because she's very loose and flexible. Both ends of her skeleton, great levelness and immaturity on her, I think, will be to her advantage. I think she looks a lot like the creation stuff, and I think that'll work on down the way to have extras in terms of bulk, center body, chest, and very, very square out of her hip and hind leg with enough kind of a look and balance from the side. I think that gilt's everything's going to come together and be a very, very good kind of a big one there in the 41.